Well, Sanbonani Dumelang, hello. Guys, a video is making rounds on social media, and it's a voice note of a guy that is making allergies amakhulu towards uShembe Unyazi kanye nenkosi uMswati wesithathu. This man is alleging ukuthi kule ritual eyenzeke annually by uShembe ayeswatini athi yoqinisa inkosi. Uthi-ke umlisa lo kusuke kungaqiniswa inkosi kodwa kusuke kwenziwa iritual lapho khona kulahleka khona iy'ngane, and le nto eyenzakalayo it's something engarephothwa ngisho nasey'ndabeni. And le video ngiyithathele ukuthi I've been doing ama-story times, and half the time abanye abantu abayikholelwa into engiyixoxa kulama story times. So I'm not saying this is true. You do justice on the comment section and tell me if this is true. Is this man talking the truth? Who is this man? Are these allergies, or do you think ukuthi bayamsukela nje uChembe is just some man who is chasing cloud ofuna udumo and whatsoever? I guess ni-engageni le ku-comment section, because hey, kuningi okwenzeka emhlabeni, maningi ama-rituals enziwayo, abantu bayafa ngendlela ezingaqondakali. Kodwa-ke lena-ke, is this just allergies or is true? Ngicela uzilalelele ngokwakho.
Abaseswatini engangifunda nabo, men and women, kade bekhala ngalento, kade bethi bayasaba iy'ngane zabo, bayisabela ngoba iy'ngane ziyalahleka eSwatini, especially uma kwafika lesi sigebengu lesi. Kuthiwa make nje kwafika yinawo, kuthiwa ngisho kuthiwa large number, a very scary number, and izinto ey'kanjalo aziveli ey'ndabeni. So bavele bangazi ukuthi iy'ngane bazenze njani, bazoyiposa kuphi, ngenxa yokuthi uma kwafika le ndoda. So engathi bebefuna ukuboycott, uyabo. Mina-ke ngiyazi ngoba uma wathi yena njengoba sekuzoqala isigeme, sekuzoqala lo July wakhona, wathi uzobona khona isigemegeme sekwenda esizoba khona. Yabona leya hurricane eyenzeka, kuthiwa kuyena. And most uyabheka abantu bakhe indlela abamthanda ngayo, it's the same thing le eyenzeka kuMaskandi. Abantu bathande
this ritual murderer, this foul ritual murderer, actually ritual murderers, Shembe from South Africa and King Mswati III. Okay, Shembe, listen, let me explain something to you that you don't understand. The country of Swaziland belongs to the people of Swaziland. The country of Swaziland belongs to the people of Swaziland, not King Mswati. King Mswati is not a free, standalone entity. He belongs to the people of Swaziland, along with the Queen Mother. So you cannot say you've not come to Swaziland to see the people of Swaziland. You've come to Swaziland to see the king and the Queen Mother. When you come see the Queen Mother and the king, you're essentially coming to see the people of Swaziland. Ungasitsheli ukuthi awugeze uzokhuluma namaSwati, uzobona inkosi nendlovukazi. Kusho wena, Masimpende. Don't say that. Because what you're doing, you agree with King Mswati that the country belongs to him. It's his farmland. Everything in Swaziland belongs to him and everything in it. Okay? So I want you to understand that point of clarification. You cannot say when you come to Swaziland, you're not coming to Swazis. You're coming to Swazis. When you come to the King of Swaziland and the Queen Mother, we know what you're coming there to do. We know you filthy business that you're coming there to murder our children, to so-called crimson cause, to strengthen the king. So all these children that disappeared while you were in Swaziland were killed by you on behalf of the king of Swaziland. Okay? That's why you're saying you're not coming to Swaziland to see the people of Swaziland, because you're coming there to murder them, to murder their children and cause chaos in this country. We don't want you to ever come back to our country. Yanguva Shembe, asifuni ukubona ever again in our lives. We don't want you coming back to Swaziland. Okay? We're going to do something to you next time you come to Swaziland. Wena Shembe, uzokanga la eSwazini, uzokanga. You're killing innocent children and you're hiding behind this fake religion. I've done a whole research on your religion and I know what you're about. Wena Shembe. So don't come back here and say you're coming to visit the king, as if the king is a free agent, is a free entity, standalone entity. He belongs to the people of Swaziland, as well as Indlovukazi. Inkosi Mswati, inkosi yamaSwati. Ngiyathi kuthi akakwati lokho, ngoba akakhuliswanga kahle. Akathi kuthi kuba inkosi yini umsebenzi wakhe. Kuthi abe inkosi la eveni leMaSwati. Asisamfuni, sinaphuma phela. Ngoba uyaganga la kaNgwane. Uyangiva Shembe, ungabuyi la kaNgwane. Masimbenja, Mthakathi. Masimbenja, ungabuyi la kaNgwane. Tobulala abantwana beMaSwati. Uthi ugcinisa le nkosi le. Uyaganga. Wena Shembe. Sis man. Damn it.